Welcome to pattern making class. This is Annette Julie, and today we are working on our high-low hem. In the last video, we just took our flared piece that goes to the bottom of our back and front skirt, and that template we made back and front pattern pieces that are butterflied. And it's a mermaid flare at the bottom, but what we have right now is that the skirt front and back are identical, so it's not high-low. This is our center front, center back. These are our side seams. And down here, of course, we have our hem and all the seam allowances included. So in order to make the front shorter and the back longer, you can take the back piece, and I've gone ahead and I've cut it out, and I'm going to flip it. And I'm going to line it up over here at my side seam. And I'm going to use this curve to help draw another curve that's a little bit shorter. And it's going to help to continue and give that same kind of curve. So I think I'll pull it over to the side like so. This looks good. Line this up. And I'm using, like I said, the curve that I have, the pattern piece from the back, to help develop my front. That looks good. Let's go ahead and put a ruler on it and true it. We want to make sure it connects right there at the side seam. So here's our front, which could be shorter, and here's our back, which could be longer. And then this is how our curve could connect. But to avoid a point, we would come over and lay the front and back flare pieces on top of each other and blend out a nice curve so it looks continuous from front to back. I think I would take off about that much to make that blend from front to back. And then we would put this piece on the front and this piece on the back, and we would have a high-low effect with our flare. But like as I said, I would cut out that amount so it would blend into the back with a continuous line. And we've lined up the side seams here of our flared pieces. This is the piece here that I would remove. I would take this away to make this high-low. This also contains the seam allowance. It's all in here. Even if when I move it up to here, all I've done is move that seam allowance up with us. So this is the back, this is the front. That's how those wrap together. And here's what our back would look like. I'm going to go ahead and cut out the front. And our front piece would be attached here. But it's flared, so we have to walk it to get a look at it. Here's what our front piece would look like so, and our back piece. So that is the end of our demo, and this is for a high-low skirt. So we've gone from peg skirt to a mermaid, and now we've gone to a mermaid with a high-low. This is Annette Jolie, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Au revoir.